This is it, the moment we've been waiting for. First reveal of the new motor install on the F7 using the massive 280 motor. Let's see what we got. Right through the spaghetti bowl. No problem. Looking pretty good. Let's see how we're going to do at the old 15-inch. Does not even phase it. No slowdown, no nothing. Let's get a good look at them. All right, let's see what we got here. There it is. Okay, so let me grab my pointer. Here's what we got. This is how we got this thing set up. Motor, using a little goop, a couple of lead pieces underneath it. In on the side, flat side down, so it lines up. Let's check the alignment. You guys got to see the alignment here. Okay, now let's straighten up the camera mount. Let's get you a good side view. We are very nice and level. Very nice. What we did was we brought wires up to the spring clip and we put a little solder pad on top. Then we brought wires across from the solder pad to the PC board, which is on top of the motor. The motor is soldered to the end of the PC board. So when it comes time to put the decoder in, show you what we're going to do. All the power from the track is collected here. Right here, behind these two wires, we're going to cut a gap across. That will isolate the power from the motor. Then we will put the decoder, the power into the decoder will come from over here. The power out of the decoder to the motor will go in right there. Will just sit right on top. Really nice and clean. I got a little cleaning up to do, get rid of all the flux, but I wanted to test this thing. Couplers are on, totally working. They line up perfect. So we put some 148s with the new snap-on, snap-on draft gear, and they are screw mounted. That means they're nice and strong. And looking really good. Really, really good. Sounding good. Sounds excellent. I can probably clean up just a little bit of chatter on the U-joints. I'll just add a little bit of Mag 1. And that should take down the chatter. But otherwise, it's pretty nice. And made it through the spaghetti bowl without any trouble at all. Yeah, we can go pretty fast through the spaghetti bowl and have no troubles. That's pretty decent. What do you say we check some slow speed operations here? Okay, I'm going to get you down here so you can get a better look. Now, let's check some slow speed here. We are at 8%. Okay, about 1.2 volts. %. And if we slow her down, that's 5% right there, and we're still moving. So it takes about 8% to get us started rolling. And then we can drop it down and we just crawl along. That's pretty good performance right there. That's actually really good performance. So cruising yard speed right around 20%, about 3 volts. Cruise yard speed. There's about 25%. And industrial park, that's probably a decent speed right there from pulling a train. I want to see if we can pull a train. I think we should, shouldn't we? Let's see if we can do it. We're going to pull a train that is completely untested. It is unknown if this train can actually stay on the track or if it's not going to make it. I suspect that this train may not be able to pull out from track 6 there, just because the cars are longer than normal. Okay, let's hook up. Good, got it. 10, 11, 12, 13. Hold it. Forgot to do something, didn't I? Helped if we turned on the power. Okay, let's try that again. Now, power's on. Okay. 6, 7, 8. 8, and it grabbed on. 9, 10%. 1.4 volts right there. That is a heavy, heavy train, by the way. Was that 9 cars? Each one of them is weighted down with a lot of weight. Yeah, we have reached slipping there because this train is so heavy. Let's see if we can put them back. Let's get just a little bit. There we go. I'm pretty sure I came off the train. Probably came off the track. It does not, these cars do not like that track number 6, but it's the track that's long enough for storage right now. Okay, let's get this guy back. Put him back where he goes. How about we get you on the track there? Nope. How about we actually put you on the track there? There we go. But at least we can demonstrate that we can pull this train, but the train cannot itself make it past that switch there. This is for another series on just how difficult these ACFs are to get to operate nicely. We'll worry about that later. Right now, let's see that guy. Very nice. So, at this point, this is what we'll call, we're DCC ready. We'll do some work on the shell, get our lighting plan together, and then we will be able to go on with the DCC install. So this thing gets sound, gets DCC and sound. It's going to be fantastic.